Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Emirates NBD how to update Emirates ID. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now you should update your Emirates ID. Banks in the UAE require valid Emirates ID information on the file for all customers. If your ID has changed or been renewed and you haven't updated it, with Emirates NBD, services like debit or credit card use and online transactions might be restricted until the update is complete. To do it, what you can do is simply head over and open the Emirates NBD mobile app, or simply head over to the browser. Then on the search bar, type in Emirates NBD login. Then once you're inside here, find the option that says Emirates NBD Internet Banking and tap on it. And once you're inside the login page, all you gotta do is enter in your username and password, then simply tap on login. Once logged in, go to your profile or personal information section and look for update Emirates ID or part of the KYC update section. Scan or upload the front and back of your new Emirates ID, submit and wait for the verification confirmation, and this method lets you to do it from home without wasting a bunch. Next option is update Emirates NBD ATM. By simply visiting the nearby Emirates NBD ATM, insert your debit or credit card and enter your PIN. Then navigate to the request or profile or personal info, then choose update Emirates ID. Then simply remove your card and insert your Emirates ID into the ATM slot when prompted, then confirm and complete the update. It's a quick self-service option if you're already out. You can also simply visit a bank with your original Emirates ID and tell them you want to update your ID. Bank staff will assist and update your new details. You may also start the update by calling customer service and asking how to submit documents if you are abroad. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.